Wow, I can't stop tasting this smoothie. Look how rich it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a kiwi mango smoothie. Yes, you heard me, kiwi mango smoothie. So in this bowl I have one large mango cut up, I have one kiwi, I have a yogurt, it's a natural flavor, I have some almond milk, I have some ice cube, and I have my water, and I have my blender ready. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna add my fruits to the blender, and then I'm gonna add my almond milk, my yogurt, my ice cube, and then the water. So guys, you can choose to use the liquid milk, almond milk, natural milk, whichever milk you prefer, you can substitute, okay? So guys, let me tell you, it's the first time I'm going to try this smoothie, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna come out and how it's going to taste. All right. And there I have it guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this now. What you see in there guys? Ooh, looks yummy. Guys, look how beautiful it looks. This must taste delicious. Wow, look at it guys. I can't wait to taste it. All right, so let me grab it now and taste it for you. Wow, it is so delicious guys. It's so soft. It tastes like frozen yogurt. It tastes like ice cream. I feel like I'm gonna freeze some and show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so stay tuned. So beautiful guys. As I said before, mangoes packed with vitamin C, the kiwi, the yogurt, everything is delicious. Okay, look at that beautiful delicate color. Wow, and the taste is so good. So good guys. Guys, go ahead and try this delicate smoothie. You will love it. Alright, try this. Alright guys, I would love to hear your feedback because I am over the moon with this one. It's so delicious. All right, yes, guys, go ahead and try it. It's summer time for smoothie guys. The kids are at home, so go ahead and whip up some of these smoothies for the children. All right, so guys, remember I told you that I would take out some of the smoothie at the end and try to freeze it like an ice cream and see what the texture is like. So here we go now guys, this is it. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours to freeze and then show you what it looks like. So voila, this is it guys. It is now frozen. I'm gonna dish this out and show you what it looks like. Okay, already it looks yummy. So guys, this is it. I'm sharing it out so you will all see my smoothie ice cream. All right, yummy. It looks good already guys. It looks good. This is a good idea for the children, a very good idea. All right guys, so I will call this my mango kiwi smoothie ice cream. Wow, sounds delicious. So let me taste this. Yummy guys, yummy, 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 yummy. It's so yummy. It's ice cream, it's natural, it's delicious. No added preservative, no sugar, no sweetening. It's just natural. So go ahead and try it guys. You can get it on your cones any way you prefer it. All right. And there you have it guys. My kiwi mango smoothie now turns ice cream. So go ahead and have fun making it. All right, enjoy. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this great video. All right guys, I would love to hear from you guys. So go ahead and make me read some of those comments. All right guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.